If you're looking for a sleek and sturdy step with aggressive off-road racing Raptor styling, then look no further than the RB20 Slim Step by Go Rhino. These full-length RB20 Slim Steps may have a slimmer design, but they're still just as strong as the larger steps. They're made from a 16-gauge zinc-coated galvanized steel so that they're made to last. The zinc coating helps fight off rust, corrosion, and debris. There are two finishes to choose from: a bed liner coating or a black powder coat finish. The RB20s are not just built to last, they're built to impress. These running boards are modeled after the running boards on the ever-popular off-road Raptor. They have a bullet-shaped stamp design on the top of the step. This gives a space for water or snow to drain through. At 5.5 inches wide, the RB20 Slim Step is still plenty wide enough to use as a step to get you in and out of your ride. The slim design also allows for more ground clearance, and they'll help you protect your body panels as well. The RB20 Slim Steps from Go Rhino can be purchased with just the steps or in a kit that includes the brackets as well. Installing these steps is easy. They mount to the OEM step and rock rail mounts and should take no more than an hour to have on. If you're interested in purchasing the RB20 Slim Steps from Go Rhino, or you need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to come back next week for more new product videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.